Hey everyone, ever dreamed of a life without the constant stress of money? A life where you can actually choose what you do instead of being forced to work just to pay the bills? That's what financial freedom is all about. It's not necessarily about being a billionaire. It simply means your passive income, the money you make even when you're not actively working, covers all your living expenses. Imagine the peace of mind that gives you. But let's be real, this isn't an overnight thing. It all starts with your mindset. You need discipline, patience, and a solid plan. Think of it like planting a tree. You won't see fruit tomorrow, but with consistent care, it'll grow strong and provide for years. It's about playing the long game and investing in yourself, learning along the way. All right, let's get practical. The very first concrete step, creating a budget and actually sticking to it. This isn't about deprivation. It's about knowing where every single dollar goes. You can use an app, a spreadsheet, or even just a notebook. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for saving and investing. It's your financial roadmap. Next up, we gotta tackle those debts, especially the high-interest ones like credit cards. They're like anchors weighing you down. Focus on getting rid of them. You can try the debt snowball, pay off smallest first for a psychological win, or the debt avalanche, pay off highest interest first to save more money. Just get them gone. Life happens, right? That's why an emergency fund is non-negotiable. This is cash stashed away, enough to cover 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. If you lose your job, face a sudden medical bill, or have a car breakdown, this fund is your shield. It prevents you from dipping into investments or going into debt when unexpected things pop up. Okay, once those basics are covered, it's time to supercharge your money. We're talking about compound interest, often called the eighth wonder of the world. It's basically earning interest on your interest. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Even small amounts can grow into significant wealth over time, thanks to this magic. So where do you put that money? You don't need to be a Wall Street guru to start investing. Simple options like ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are fantastic because they automatically diversify you across many companies. You can also look into stocks, bonds, or even real estate if that's your thing. The key? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now, cutting back on expenses is great, but to really speed things up, you need to increase your income. This could mean asking for a raise at your current job, or even finding a new one that pays more. Or you could start a side hustle, a small business, or a freelance gig on the side. Think of it as adding new money streams that flow directly into your savings and investment accounts. Remember, the journey to financial freedom isn't a one-and-done deal. It's a continuous process. You need to review your financial plan regularly, at least once a year. Life changes, and so should your strategy. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and make adjustments as you go. Think of it like a long road trip where you occasionally check the map to make sure you're still on the right path. Remember, the journey to financial freedom isn't a one-and-done deal. It's a continuous process. You need to review your financial plan regularly, at least once a year. Life changes, and so should your strategy. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and make adjustments as you go. Think of it like a long road trip where you occasionally check the map to make sure you're still on the right path. And that's it. By following these steps, you're not just saving money, you're building a life of choice and peace. This isn't just about having a big bank account. It's about having the freedom to spend your time with people you love, pursue your passions, or simply wake up without the stress of worrying about money. You've earned this. So what are you waiting for? Start today, even with just one small step. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to build the life you've always wanted.